Today we're going to give a quick tutorial video on how to put the wipers up on your Hyundai vehicle so that ice and snow is not going to build up on them when your car is parked. I'm going to use this Palisade to demonstrate, but the same trick to put the wipers up is going to work on any of our Hyundai models. As you can see, the wipers are tucked here, covered in snow and below the hood. So if I try to lift these up, it's just going to hit the hood. They won't lift up. So we're going to start it up. And to get the wipers to come up in service mode, this is going to work for the front as well as the back of the vehicle. I'm just going to shut it off and then hold the wipers in the mist position. And there they're going to come up. But on this Palisade, our mist position is going to be down. So you can see there, mist position is holding the wipers down. On some Hyundais, it's going to be holding it up. You'll just have to see, depending on your model, look at the stock. It'll show high, low, intermittent, off, and then mist. The mist position is what we're looking for. I'll shut that off again. Hold that down for 3 seconds. And there they go. So it allows us to just lift them off and away from the windshield so that ice and snow won't build up on them while you're parked. Hey, and just quick, if you had any other questions, drop a comment down below. You can check out some of the other videos on our channel for other Hyundai content, tips and tricks videos, more coming soon. Let us know what you'd like to see as well in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.